friends, let's join with Peppa Pig, my best little library of 12 books. With so much joy and excitement, I finally received the parcel from Amazon. We are the Prime members of Amazon, so the delivery process is faster. Let's come inside. Now I will open the parcel using the scissors. Friends, be careful when you use the scissors. Wow, I am so delighted and I am dancing with joy to see 12 books. See all the books. These are great. The books are Princess Peppa, Peppa's Friends, Peppa's Family, Peppa's Favorite Things, Sleepy Princess, King, Cook and Wizard, George's Dragon, Sir George the Brave, Peppa's Garden, Peppa at Home, Peppa at Playgroup, The Royal Party. You can also purchase such little library of Peppa by logging the Amazon India and order it. All the details are mentioned in the description box. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Enjoy